You were the sweetest teacher for sure. I also remember what oh yeah, I don't know. Sometimes I was strict with the during the lessons, so I have to be serious. I don't know. Maybe. But thank you about that. Ang dami naming nyug, Mars. Oh, we have lots of nyug, coconut. Na ano na ni Papa, sabi niya, sayang daw kukuprahin niya. Kaya nahulog doon sa pad na yan, oh. Yan, ito yung mini-maintain ni Papa na fish pan. So, this is our church. Yan, this is the church. Let's go and check. Ito sa may gilid. This is our church here. Yan, naka-close kasi siya. And di pa siya tapos. We have a temporary what's this? Kawayan na tawag. Yan ang church. That's the church. Yan, itong church na ito, it owned a fish pond. Papa for almost more than 20 years. I think 25 years na. Silver years. Yan. Yan si Papa. Tama, so may alugbati dito, oh. Hindi pa kami nakakagulay niyan. Ay, mga grapes na puro na ito. Ano ba yun? Naano naman ako? Ay, nako. Allergy. Na sobra ng alikabok kahapon. Hindi Mars yung sa ano ko. Kaya nga maingat ako sa earrings kasi nagsusugat ang tenga ko pag hindi ano sa akin yung ano ba yan? Na ano na ako. Tulo-tulo na naman. Nawan ko yung tissue. You lost your what do you mean? I didn't get it. At HNT and Pusir. What did you lost? Nice, Mars. Anong bara? Ay, nakalimutan ko. Itong anong ito. Binigay na kasi ito ng pinsan namin na may sariling vineyard. Doon sa Sorsogon. I don't know. Puti siya. Ay, pasok tayo. Medyo na ulan-ulan. Ulan-ulan pa. Hindi ko alam. Yes, it's raining here almost every day. But thanks God for the last 3 days. We have seen the sun during the daytime and it's raining during nighttime. But today, it's raining. Yeah, it's lagging. Come live after 2 hours. Oh, morning in your place. Good morning. Good morning at HNT Infosphere. And sa inyo, Mars, good morning na din. Good morning Tuesday. Ay, Wednesday ba? Ano ngayon? Ano na ako? Naguguluhan na ako sa time zone differences natin. Mega love shoutout to our 7 likers and 93 live viewers. I'm going inside. Napasok lang ako. Saan na ba dito? Yan, namulot kami ng itlog na ka-anim. Yan, dito naman yung bahay ni Amazing Life with Jay. Papasok tayo. Makikipasok po. Yan, dito yung ano ng kapatid ko. Yan, tulog sila. Yan. Ito yung kanilang bedroom. Yan, yung kanilang wedding photo. Yan, nagre-ready na sila. Yan, malapit nang lumabas ang aming pamangkin. Ito ang kanilang humble abode home. Ano, busy? Oh, to, ikaw ang pinapanood dito, oh. Oh, your cat, Mars, oh. Nandyan siya. Niwan lang, dyan sa laptop. Yan yung, nandyan pa ba tong pusa nyo, Mars?